Hello viewers, let's continue our Lead Code 75 series in which we have solved 19 questions out of 75, and now we have to solve one more question of hash map and set. So the first question is find the difference of two array. So let's proceed. So here is given a vector nums1 and nums2. You have to return the answer which is of size 2. Okay. Vector is 2D vector and you have to return the answer such that the answer of 0 is containing the list of distinct integer of nums1 which are not present in nums2. So in a zeroth element of answer you have to put all the element which is not containing in nums2, and for 1th element of answer you have to carry all the elements of nums2 which are not present in nums1. Okay, so I hope you understand. So in a nums1 1 2 3 there is 1 2 3 present, and nums2 is 2 4 6. So you can so in a answer vector you can put only 1 and 3, not 2 because 2 is present in nums2, and for nums2 you can present 4 and 6, not 2 because 2 is present in nums1. Okay, so let's understand with an example. You have to return the answer of size 2 such that the first element contain all the element which are not present in n2. ठीक है, so 1 and 2 are present in only n1, so you can return 1 and 3, and for the second you can return 4 and 6, not 2 because 2 is present in nums1. Okay, in the same way for this you can return 1, you can return only 3 because 3 is present only in 1, not in this, and for this you have to return empty because 1 and 2 present in n1. So how can you do this? Let's understand its approach. First I will create a set1. I will create a set1 and set2. Okay, so the set1 contain all the element of n1, nums1 and nums2 which is not repeating, so of course 1 2 3, and set2 contain the nums2, so it contain 2 4 and 6. Okay, this will contain 2 4 6, and then you have to create a vector dist1 and dist2. Okay, and you have to check all the element. For you have to create a for loop and check whether this, you have to check whether set2 of this element is equals to 0. If it is 0 then you just have to do pushback of ch in dist2, and also for same. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's write the code here. First I will write the code. You just have to traverse from ch In the same way you have to do for set 1 and set 2. You just have to push back the element if it is not containing a set 2. So let's do this. First you have to create unordered set which is of int set 1 nums1 dot begin comma nums dot end. Okay, you have to do this. First you have to push back all the element in set 1 and set 2. Okay, again you have to create unordered unordered set of int set 2 which is nums2 dot begin comma nums2 dot end. Okay, you just have to do this. And then you have to create a vector 1D vector int disk1 comma disk2 for auto ampersand ch set1 if set1 dot count ch is equals to 0, then you just have to do this one dot push back ch. Okay, and then for auto ampersand ch set 2, and again you just have to check if set 1 dot count of ch is equals to 0. If it is 0, then you just have to do disk2 dot push back of ch. Okay, and after this you just have to return disk1 comma disk2. Okay, so let's run this code. Now here is set 2. Disk okay, so again run this code. This code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.